Hey everyone, this is the unboxing of Seaflo's oil change system. So I've mentioned in a video prior that this is basically to help you pump out the oil in your boat, RV, truck, car, whatever it may be. Now you don't have to get underneath your vehicle, drain out that oil and make a big mess, all that kind of stuff. So it makes life a lot easier for that. It comes with a 23A series water pump. It can pump oil though. So once you open up the bucket, you'll see it comes with alligator clips and some fittings. As always, the Seaflo mission statement, warranty card, and directions to use it, and also a 3/8 inch hose. This is what you'll be putting into your dipstick and pumping your oil out of. Basically, you'll just hook it up right to the suction side, drop it into the dipstick, and hook the clamps up, hook it up to your car battery, and start pumping until you have no more oil left and you're done. Really takes the hassle of getting underneath your car, draining the oil, making a mess potentially, doing all that kind of stuff. It makes oil changing a lot quicker and easier, and really friendly for the DIY guy. You can find this on seaflodirect.com. We have a 10% coupon code at the end of this video. Please use it at that website. If you guys have any questions, reach out on the website or call us anytime. Thanks.